It's 2018, a brand new year. Squadron Officer School at Maxwell Air Force Base jumped the gun on New Year's resolutions by overhauling their curriculum last year.
So one of the things we really spent a lot of time changing was our joint warfare suite of lessons, where we started talking about, we've added lessons on cyber and space for the first time. And then really from the leadership perspective, our big focus is trying to explain to people how they lead in those kind of challenging joint warfare type environments. If you look at things like the 4+1 strategic challenges and all these other very dynamic environments that we see ourselves in now, that presents different leadership challenges than maybe we've focused on in the past.
Officers from all career fields, government civilians and international officers, come to SOS for professional military education on how to be an effective leader. And a large part of leadership is knowing how to work as a team.
Team building is critical because we believe that a team can come up with a better answer than an individual almost every single time. There's so much information out there that no one can be an expert at everything. You need the team to come together to come to the best solution.
Team building at SOS is oftentimes physically challenging. The staff call it experiential learning, and it plays a critical role in practicing the techniques they're taught in the classroom in a more stressful environment.
It's hard enough to solve a problem when you're sitting there with a piece of paper and trying to think about it. It's twice as hard trying to run and solve something with 14 other people.
There wasn't anybody in my flight that was on a profile. All of us participated in everything. There were a few flights that I saw that had people that would drop out. And if you're not there to help your team, then you have less brain power behind the problems that you're trying to solve.
If a student is on a waiver and they can't participate in some of the physical activities at SOS, they're going to miss out on having a chance to really practice what we teach. Sure, they get to observe the things, they get to watch their other flights partake in it, but it's still not the same as actually getting in and experimenting with different leadership techniques.
To sum it all up, SOS updated its curriculum. They focus more now on joint operations and warfare. They added more about cyber and space education. And though SOS has always been a physical program, the physical nature of the program today is more heavily integrated into the curriculum and learning environment. If you'd like to learn more about the changes at SOS, check out the extended video, SOS Practice Makes Leadership. From Maxwell Air Force Base, Alabama, I'm Staff Sergeant Robert Dantzler.